The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is already one of the most discussed upcoming flagships, and a lot of expectations have been circulating around its camera upgrades, especially the 3x telephoto sensor. But now, new information coming from reliable insiders is bringing some clarity to what's actually happening with the device. According to the official CAD-based renders, the S26 Ultra has become slightly thinner, but the camera bump area for the 3x telephoto lens has not changed. This is important because if the physical space of the module didn't increase, the sensor itself cannot get larger, so the idea of a bigger 3x sensor was never realistic. ICE Universe confirms that the S26 Ultra will continue to use a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor with a /2.4 and a 1/3.94 in size, consistent with the design constraints. He also addressed some misinformation. Recently, some rumors claimed that the S26 Ultra would come with a 5,400 mAh battery. ICE Universe states that this is false. Samsung finalized the 5,000 mAh battery capacity long ago. Changing the battery would require redesigning the internal structure and redoing certification testing, which is not happening at this stage of production. On charging speed, Anthony the Galax cleared up the confusion by confirming that 60-watt fast charging for the S26 Ultra was never in doubt. References to this charging rate were found directly in One UI system code, so any claim of a lower charging speed is simply incorrect. ICE Universe also summarized what he claims are the final camera specifications for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. 200-megapixel main camera, /1.4, 1/13 and 50-megapixel ultrawide camera, 191 1/2.52 and 50-megapixel 5x telephoto, /2.9, 1/2.52 and 10-app 3x telephoto, /2.441 394 inches. So overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is focusing on refinement rather than major hardware overhauls. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in comments section. We've seen plenty of leaks and unofficial renders of the Galaxy S26 design, but none of them originated from Samsung. Now it looks like Samsung's own leaked software may include images of the upcoming flagship models. Images resembling official renders of the Galaxy S26 lineup were discovered inside One UI 8.5. One of these, identified by Android Authority, shows a device using the code names N1 and N2, while another image highlights a phone labeled with the code name N3. According to Android Authority, their examination of Samsung's One UI 8.5 software revealed a pair of renders representing the Galaxy S26 series. The first image includes a device tagged with the code names N1 and N2, and the second features a device labeled M3. Earlier leaks indicate that N1 and M2 correspond to the standard Galaxy S26 and the Galaxy S26 Plus. Meanwhile, the M3 codename has consistently been associated with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Both newly found renders align closely with previous leaks. The two base models are expected to feature a vertical camera setup with 3 rear lenses, while the S26 Ultra will include the same vertical layout, but with 2 additional sensors positioned beside it. Along with that, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know in comments section. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&O LED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080x2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dB fast charging and 15 dB wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic ANO-LED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10 Plus, and a resolution of 1440 x 3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4,900 mAh unit with 45 DU fast charging and 15 DU wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic ANO-LED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus, with a resolution of 1440 x 3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6,000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the latest updates.